You are the father.
He stood in court, calm, confident, and completely sure of one thing: this is not my child. But just moments later, a single test would destroy everything he believed, and what happened next shocked the entire courtroom. A young woman walked into the courtroom, holding a small child in her arms. She looked nervous, but determined. Her name was Sarah, and she was here for one reason: to prove that the man sitting across the room was the father of her child. The man sat quietly, arms crossed, completely calm. The judge looked at him and asked, "Do you accept that this is your child?" He didn't hesitate, not even for a second. "No, Your Honor, this child is not mine." The courtroom went silent. Sarah's face changed instantly, her eyes filled with tears. But she didn't speak, because deep down, she knew this would not be easy. A few years earlier, they were in a relationship. They laughed together, spent time together, and even talked about the future. But things changed. Arguments started, trust broke, and eventually, they went their separate ways. Months later, she found out she was pregnant. She tried to contact him, but he ignored her. And when he finally replied, his words were cold. "This is not my responsibility." From that moment, she knew she would have to fight this alone. Back in court, the lawyers began their arguments. Her lawyer stood up. "We are here to prove paternity and secure justice for the child." His lawyer responded quickly. "My client denies everything. There is no proof." The judge listened carefully, then asked one question. "Is there any scientific evidence?" There was a pause. Then her lawyer said, "Yes, Your Honor. We request a DNA test." The courtroom shifted because everyone knew this would decide everything. Days passed, then weeks. For her, every moment felt heavy. This wasn't just about money, it was about truth, about her child's future. Finally, the day arrived. The courtroom was full. Everyone was waiting for one thing: the DNA result. The judge opened the report, looked at it carefully, then said, "This court has received the results." Silence. The test shows a 99.9% probability. The man shifted in his seat, that the defendant is the biological father. For a moment, no one spoke. Then everything changed. She broke down in tears, holding her child tightly, not from sadness, but relief. His face lost all confidence. The smile was gone. The judge continued. "This court recognizes you as the legal father. You are responsible for child support." The gavel hit the desk. Case closed. Sometimes people think they can escape the truth, but the truth always finds a way. In this case, one test changed everything, not just for them, but for the child, because every child deserves the truth. What do you think? Was justice served, or was it too late? Tell me your opinion in the comments. Also, subscribe my channel for more videos.